Hey there, wanna keep some private photos under apps in your iPhone? Not sure where to start or how to get it done? Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. So let's jump right in and get started. Before we dive in, here's what you need to do first. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled on your iPhone. If those aren't set up, just use your passcode. You'll need Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to keep your pictures hidden. Now open the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photos you want to hide. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Hide. Confirm by tapping Hide Photos. You can add as many photos as you want to hide in the same way. After that, go back to the main screen. Scroll down to find Utilities. Select Hidden. Enter your passcode to access your hidden photos. Now, if you want to recover a hidden photo, select the photo you want to unhide. Tap the three dots again. Choose Unhide. After that, your photos will be visible in the Photos app again. Hiding in the hidden album. Now, if you'd like to take it a step further and hide that hidden folder from the Photos app, follow these steps to secure your data even more. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find the Photos app. Scroll down again. Turn off Hidden Album. Now, when you open the Photos app and scroll down to Utilities, you'll notice that the hidden option is gone. Restoring the hidden album. If you want to just get that hidden option back, just do the following. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find the Photos app again. Scroll down once more. Turn on Hidden Album. By following these steps, you should easily be able to hide your photos on your iPhone. If you have any more questions or need a bit of help, just let me know. Thanks for watching and happy hiding.